Hello, I'm Mary from Country Chic Paint. Today I'll be prepping and painting these thrifted tables. Used furniture can have all sorts of stains and sticky spots that you won't want under your paint. A dollop of vinegar and water can help dissolve grime and glue left behind from price stickers. If your furniture has a shine to it like these, give it a scuff sand to dull it down, and that will allow new paint to adhere. Use whatever works for the surface you're sanding. I like a block for all over and a paper or pad to get into grooves and details. Don't forget to smooth out any surface scratches. Thoroughly remove the dust from sanding and give it another wipe down with a damp cloth. You won't want any dust working into your new finish. I'll be doing something fun with these tables later, so I've picked a true black that will contrast with the color I'll be using on top. I used my favorite oval brush, but a paint sponge can do the trick as well and makes for easy application on spindles. Make sure you catch any drips. For a fully opaque look, apply a second coat if you need to. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the next video to this project where I add crackle and a pop of color.